Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, let's learn about page indent and spacing. I have started with MS Word tutorial and covered 3 tutorials on MS Word. Link of the 3 tutorials is given in the description box. Watch those videos to learn more about Word. Now let's get started with page indent and spacing. First, let's see about the 4 different types of alignments. To apply any formatting to the text, first step is to select your text. Select your text to apply alignment. So here 4 alignments are available. First is left, center alignment, right alignment, and justify. Justify alignment distributes text evenly on the page between margins. These are the formattings in the Home tab which you can apply on paragraph. Now let's see paragraph spacing. Select your text or paragraph. This is line spacing option. It starts from 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0. When you choose your line spacing size, below you can see the changes. For example, let's make 2.0. So this is the line spacing of 2.0. This is 3.0, 1.0. Apply as you desire. Next is you can apply color to your paragraph or text. Choose color you want. So this is the shading, that is color behind the text. Different shades are available. Choose one to apply. Now let's move on to the indent option. Increase indent and decrease indent. Decrease indent move paragraph closer to the margin, and increase indent move text farther from the margin. Let's take a look. So decrease indent, you can see it is moving to the left side, that is towards the left margin, and increase indent will move farther from the margin. It moves it to the right side. So this is indent option, page indent, and this is page spacing. In page spacing option, here is line spacing options. You can open window of indents and spacing using this. You can choose options from here which is readily available. You can also set manually by yourself from here. Spacing, for example, let's make it 15 points. This also 15. Here preview is visible. Click OK. So this is line spacing for this line. If you want to apply to whole page, select the whole page. You can also use this shortcut and apply indent and spacing. Click OK. Click OK. So you can set by yourself manually, and here is the option readily available. You can choose these options directly. You can also remove space before paragraph and after paragraph. This is all about page indent and spacing. We learned about alignment, this 4 alignment option, then this page spacing option, page indent. These are 2 page indent option. Then you can apply shading. You can apply background to the text. This is shading option. You can apply behind table, paragraph or text. The remaining options are for table. Now let's cover topic bullets. You can apply bullets to your text. Select your text and choose bullet of your choice. You can choose any one from here. Next available is number format. You can also choose in number format. Here are some more library, this library available. So these three options are all bullets option. So this is bullets, this is numbering, and this is multi-valued list. In this video, we learned about page alignment, bullets, numbering, then page indent, page spacing option, and shading, which helps to apply shading, color to the paragraph background, table, and others. Stay tuned for more videos on MS Word. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know your additional views and thoughts on Word in the comments below. Thank you for watching.